Hewlett Packard or HP officially released its newest laptop in Indonesia, the HP Pavilion Aero 13. This laptop weighs less than 1 kilogram and targets users from Gen Z. This HP Pavilion Aero 13 is 1.69 cm thick and weight of 0.987 kg. HP coated this laptop with magnesium-aluminum. It also comes with a premium look and a 13.3-inch IPS panel with a WUXGA resolutions with an aspect ratio of 16:10. The screen of this laptop has a brightness level of 400 nits and is equipped with anti-glare and Flickr-free features. This HP Pavilion Aero 13 is available in two processor options, AMD Ryzen 5 and Ryzen 7. These two processors are equipped with a built-in AMD Radeon graphics processing card. This laptop's performance is also supported by 16GB DDR4, 3200 MHz RAM, and 512GB NVMe SSD storage. The HP Pavilion Aero 13 laptop is also supported by 43 VHH battery capacity that support fast charging features. HP claims that this laptop can last up to 10.5 hours after a single charge. The company also claims that this laptop can be charged up to 50% within 30 minutes when it is turned off. Meanwhile, the laptop can be charged to 50% in 45-watt charger adapter. This laptop is also equipped with a 720-pixel HD resolutions, fingerprint scanner, backlit keyboard, Wi-Fi 6, dual speakers, 3.5 mm audio jack, up to HDMI and USB Type-C and A port. This laptop is available in pale rose gold, warm gold, ceramic white and natural silver colors.